take your son, your daughter, your loved ones out. You can see the person over there spying on me. Teach your son and daughter frame of reference. Take them into a parking lot. If they want to argue, if they're not listening, take them back home because they don't appreciate what you're trying to do. I'm turning out hand over hand. Mom, dad, they're going to learn from you. They're going to learn your good habits, your bad habits. Hopefully you don't road rage. R-O-A-D, rage, R-A-G-E. I'm turning out smoothly, hand over hand. Halfway through the figure eight, I gently accelerate. They have to look where they're going. You see me turning my head, looking. You see my hands. Some students will look at their hands. I'm going to look at my hands right now. I'm not looking at the road. I will crash. Tell your son and daughter to look where they want to go. You can see how wide this turn is. Parking lots are great areas to take beginners, low traffic, low stress, low anxiety. And if they want to argue with you, there's no argument. You take them back home. H-O-M-E. I'm looking where I want to go. I'm gradually accelerating out. How long should you do this? About a half an hour. They need to have their left hand, my left hand, on the left side. This is why I have this marker here. They need to have their right hand on the right side. I'm going to show you some of the common errors. Some beginners do this. This is called palming the wheel. They will lose control of the car. They're palming the wheel, and you could easily, see I'm overturning, you could easily lose control. The wheel is sliding in my palm. This is called palming the wheel. You can also palm it with your right hand. You can lose control. The steering wheel is slipping out of my hand, so I have to push down on the steering wheel with my palm. See how I'm overturning? And your wheel could slide. I've driven a student with one hand before. That was a rare situation, and he was better than most of my students who had two hands. Let's get two hands back on the wheel. Smooth and easy, taking my time. Have pride. Teach your son or daughter. We're going to go to the left. If you guys were here with me, we would master this. And I'm taking my time, staying to the right side. We're in North America. So I'm going to stay on the right side of the road, use these lines as reference points, straight, middle, right. This is too close to the curb. You're going to hit it. This is too far away. Teach your son or daughter or your clients proper judgment, lane positioning, reference points. I'm turning the wheel. I'm on the right side. This is the wrong side of the road. I've had clients do this. You're about to get hit. Let's get on the right side of the road. I'm looking, I'm straightening up my wheels. Now I'm centered. Turn on my left turn signal, I'm waiting. This causes anxiety because your beginner does not know or understand patience. Mom and dad, instructors, take your time. Wait all day. We're gonna take our time. We're waiting. It's like a tennis match. Have to look back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to wait just like a beginner. I'm gonna show you, mom and dad, how much patience you must have. You won't have a break. I do. So it looks clear. I roll across, then I look and turn, and I turn out. Frame of reference lined up. You want to teach your son, your daughter, your niece, your nephew, lane positioning, frame of reference. Squeezing my brake. Teach them to see the rear of the tires on the ground. If we can't see the rear of the tires and we get rear-ended, we're going to get smacked from behind and we're going to be pushed into them. We have a car that looks like a piece of crap. C-R-A-P. We do not want that. We want to protect our vehicle. Teach your son, teach your daughter, teach your teen, teach your adult to value our vehicle. They are not free. So my frame of reference is good on the left. My frame of reference is good on the right. I have this other line to help guide us because roads have different variances. And I accelerate. I look left, I look right. Typically what happens, your beginners look at the speedometer, and see me drifting, I'm going off the road. Frame of reference. I'm gradually picking up. I'm not staring at the speedometer. Lights yellow, squeeze brakes. You need to teach your son or daughter or the client depth perception, to look ahead. Don't teach them to run lights. You will get killed. Here's the stop line. I stop. Let's check our frame of reference. I'm good on the left. I'm good on the right. I have an angle here for depth perception away from that vehicle. The vehicle behind me is tailgating me, so I'm going to relax.